Welcome to Select 3821. Here we go. This is another 3-box break. This time we're opening up. Oh, thank you. Bin to the left of me. Bin to the right. Here I am. Cocked in the middle with you. 5 times. Here we go. This is random team break. Whoever's on top of the end gets the team in spot 1. Team on bottom gets the person in spot number 30. I'm going to have a quick look and make sure everything's all in order. It is. 5 times. Here we go. Good luck all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, what am I doing? I was about to cut it open. 4, 4, and 5. Top team is Celtics. Bottom team is the Knicks. That's 5 times. Good luck to all. Lamella, the only one quiet so far. Everyone else we've got a few nice variants of. Oh. Tabby, what's your favorite variant? Oh, sorry. Move my knife, you dog. Wait, are people actually serious about the Sacramento for Healed? Do you reckon it's like Healed and someone else? Like maybe a Healed and a... Nah, Phil, all full up for today, buddy. Tabby, I was going to ask what your favorite variant is.
I really like the gold.
Yeah.
A flat gold, not
Russell?
gold so checkerboard, but
Just a flat
not
gold.
die cut, so it's gotta be concourse gold.
There you go.
Yeah, I'm a bit fussy. I'm not a big fan of the zebra.
Cole Anthony. Disco Steven Adams. Silver Anthony Davis. Onyeka Kongwu and Damian Lillard. Mine's Alligator Loki.
Oh.
Darren Fox. Malachi Flynn. Eric Paschal. Red Aaron Neesmith for the Celtics. Tyrese Maxey and Kemba Walker Watt. Bad joke?
No, it's good, but there's no way.
Why not?
Over the
Bogdanovic?
goddess that is
Andre
the-
Drummond. Kyrie Irving Disco and Shai Gilgeous-Alexander Disco courtside. Fun fact of the offseason is Portland has spent 70 to 80% of their cap on players 6'3". Exactly that. Oh, LaMelo rookie. There he is. Just accused him of being quiet. Johnson, DiVincenzo, Disco, Killian Hayes, Tobias Harris, and Ben Simmons. People are actually talking up the fact that Heald and Simmons might just be a trade with a bit extra going the way of Philadelphia. Anthony, De'Aaron Fox, Disco, Aaron Neesmith, Silva, Vucevic. I think I'd be okay with that. Patty Mills, Andrew Wiggins. I would probably start buying some Simmons rookies. Flynn, Bogdanovic, Achiuwa, Disco, Duncan Robinson, Patrick Williams, Goran Dragic. Andre Drummond, LaMelo Ball rookie again, Disco, John Wall, Alexei Pokusevski, Silva, Saddiq Bey, Karl-Anthony Towns. Yeah, like if that's a straight swap, I'm in. Johnson. Oh, we have green Disco courtside of a rookie. Is it for the? It's a rookie for the Timberwolves. Green Disco courtside.
Oh, stop it.
Blake, there's one good one. And then there's Joe.
And it's Jaden McDaniels. Jaden McDaniels, green, 3 of 5, rookie Disco courtside.
That's still nice, Blake.
That's still very nice. That's still a big boy. Don't get me wrong. That's really disappointing. And then, my word, that's big. Daniel Turu, Chris Paul. Taylor's taking a bit of wind out of my sails. I know he's your boy, but Yeah, you understand why. Josh Green, Danilo Gallinari, Disco Oladipo, Silver, Anthony Davis again, DeAndre Ayton, Desmond Burn. Yeah. Colin Sexton, Eric Bledsoe, Eric Gordon, Disco of Eric Paschal, Patty Mills, Andrew Wiggins. At least the Eric Paschal photo in this one's actually Eric Paschal, hey. Aaron Neesmith, John Wall, Disco, Isaac Okoro, Silver, Derek White, Patrick Williams, Goran Dragic. I've seen that, and I didn't realize it was such a big meme, but then I saw another thing, and it was like, wow, okay, everyone's saying this for every move the Blazers make. Every time Blazers make a move, people are like, Dame got his guy. Jaden McDaniels, DeMar DeRozan, Disco, Nick Richards, and a red, John Collins for the Hawks, Saddiq Bey, Karl Anthony Towns. There's number 46 or 49. The example B-Dubs gave was Tony Snell for 1 year. Dame got his man.